Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best truck bed storage systems on Amazon. The pickup truck is one of the most versatile vehicles on the road. There is one problem with trucks. However, that massive bed isn't the best for cargo management. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Trunkratepro Portable Trunk Organizer. This versatile organizer is designed to keep your truck bed neat and tidy, making it a must-have for any truck owner. The Trunkratepro features a sturdy construction with reinforced walls and a non-slip bottom, ensuring that your items stay securely in place during transport. With its multiple compartments and pockets, you can easily store and organize a wide range of items, from groceries to sports equipment and tools. The collapsible design allows for convenient storage when not in use, saving you precious space. What we like about it: multiple compartments and pockets for efficient organization, sturdy construction and non-slip bottom for secure storage, collapsible design for easy storage, durable materials ensure long-lasting use, reinforced handles and attachment straps for convenience and stability. Number 2. Undercover Swing Case Truck Bed Storage Box. Looking for a convenient and secure storage solution for your truck bed? Look no further than the Undercover Swing Case Truck Bed Storage Box. This innovative storage box is designed to fit seamlessly into your truck bed, providing easy access to your tools and gear while keeping them safe and protected. The swing case features a durable construction with a rugged ABS plastic shell that can withstand the toughest conditions. It is also weather-resistant, ensuring that your belongings stay dry even in rainy or snowy weather. What we like about it: convenient swing-out design for easy access, durable and weather-resistant construction, no drill installation with included brackets, provides secure storage for tools and gear, maximizes truck bed space utilization. What we don't like about it: the storage box may limit the width of the truck bed when installed. Number 3. Tough Viking Convertible Large Truck Bed Organizer. If you're in need of a versatile and heavy-duty truck bed organizer, the Tough Viking Convertible Large Truck Bed Organizer is the perfect choice. This organizer is built to handle even the toughest hauling tasks while keeping your items organized and easily accessible. The reinforced sidewalls and base provide stability and prevent sagging, ensuring that your items stay in place during transit. The organizer also includes dividers that can be adjusted or removed to accommodate items of different sizes. With its convertible design, this organizer offers multiple configuration options to suit your specific needs. What we like about it: heavy-duty construction for durability, adjustable dividers for customizable storage space, convertible design for versatile usage, reinforced handles for easy transport, non-slip bottom prevents shifting. What we don't like about it: the organizer may take up a significant amount of space in the truck bed. Number 4. Last Box Truck Bed Organizer and Storage Box. Looking for a compact and practical storage solution for your truck bed? The Last Box Truck Bed Organizer and Storage Box has got you covered. This sleek and versatile organizer is designed to fit perfectly in your truck bed, providing ample storage space while keeping your belongings safe and secure. With its modular design, this organizer offers excellent flexibility. The removable dividers allow you to create customized compartments based on the size of your items, ensuring efficient organization. The lid can also be used as a tray, providing a convenient surface for smaller items or for temporarily holding tools while you work. What we like about it: compact and practical design for efficient storage, robust and impact-resistant construction, weatherproof seal keeps belongings safe from elements, modular design with removable dividers, lid doubles as a tray for added convenience. What we don't like about it: the storage capacity may be limited compared to larger organizers. Number 5. Undercover Swing Case Truck Bed Storage Box. For truck owners who want to maximize their storage space, the Undercover Swing Case Truck Bed Storage Box passenger side is a fantastic addition to your vehicle. This storage box is specifically designed to fit on the passenger side of your truck bed, providing a secure and accessible storage solution for your tools and gear. What we like about it: fits perfectly on the passenger side of the truck bed. Durable construction with impact resistance. Weather-resistant design for protection against the elements. Swing-out feature for easy access. Secure installation and lock for added safety. What we don't like about it: the storage box may limit the width of the truck bed when installed. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.